Marrakech, a city that instantly conjures images of vibrant markets, ancient palaces, and a rich tapestry of culture. The very name evokes a sense of wonder and adventure. It's a place where every corner holds a new discovery and every street tells a story. It's a city that awakens the senses. The bustling markets, the vibrant colors, and the lively atmosphere make you feel alive. Imagine vibrant colors, exotic scents, and the rhythmic sounds of a different world. The aroma of spices fills the air, and the music of local musicians creates a symphony of culture. Marrakech is a place where ancient traditions meet modern life. The old and the new coexist in a beautiful harmony, creating a unique blend that is both timeless and contemporary. It's a city that stays with you long after you've left. The memories of its sights, sounds, and experiences linger, calling you back for more. My first trip to Marrakech was unforgettable. From the moment I arrived, I was enveloped in its magic and charm. I was captivated by the energy of the Jemaa el-Fnaa square. The square comes alive in the evening with performers, food stalls, and a vibrant crowd creating an electric atmosphere. The sights, sounds, and smells were a sensory overload in the best way possible. The sizzling of street food, the chatter of vendors, and the rich aroma of spices made every moment an adventure. I knew then that I had to share this magical city with the world. Every photo, every video, was a testament to the beauty and vibrancy of Marrakech. Marrakech is a city of contrasts. The juxtaposition of old and new, traditional and modern, creates a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. You'll find bustling souks filled with intricate carpets and spices. Each stall is a treasure trove of unique items waiting to be discovered. Peaceful gardens offer respite from the city's energy. These serene oases provide a tranquil escape where you can relax and reflect. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, Marrakech has something for everyone. From the thrill of exploring its streets to the calm of its gardens, the city caters to every desire. Come with me as we delve into the heart of Morocco. Together we'll explore the hidden alleyways, the bustling markets, and the serene gardens. We'll uncover hidden gems and must-see attractions. From the famous landmarks to the secret spots known only to locals, our journey will be filled with discoveries. Get ready for an unforgettable journey to Marrakech. Pack your bags, bring your sense of adventure, and join me in experiencing the magic of this incredible city. Our journey begins in the heart of Marrakech Jemaa el-Fnaa, a place where history and modernity blend seamlessly. This vibrant square is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its cultural significance and historical importance. It's a feast for the senses day and night with an ever-changing array of sights, sounds, and smells that captivate visitors. During the day, the square is abuzz with activity. Vendors set up their stalls selling everything from fresh produce to handmade crafts. Storytellers captivate audiences with ancient tales, passing down the rich oral traditions of Morocco from generation to generation. Snake charmers showcase their skills, mesmerizing onlookers with their daring performances and the hypnotic movements of their serpents. You'll find henna artists creating intricate designs offering a beautiful and temporary souvenir of your visit. It's a spectacle that truly embodies the soul of Marrakech, a place where tradition and modern life coexist in harmony. As the sun sets, Jemaa el-Fnaa transforms into a magical open-air restaurant. The square comes alive with the glow of food stalls and the aroma of delicious cuisine. The air fills with the aroma of grilled meats, fragrant tagines, and freshly squeezed orange juice, tempting your taste buds with every step. Join the locals and savor a delicious meal under the stars. The communal dining experience is one of the highlights of visiting Jemaa el-Fnaa. Don't be afraid to haggle with the vendors. It's a lively and engaging part of the market culture here. It's part of the experience. The friendly banter and negotiations add to the vibrant atmosphere of the square. But remember to be respectful and have fun with it. The interactions you have here can be some of the most memorable parts of your visit. Jemaa el-Fnaa is a must-see for any visitor to Marrakech. Its unique blend of history, culture, and vibrant life makes it an unforgettable destination. After the excitement of Jemaa el-Fnaa, find tranquility in two iconic landmarks. The Koutoubia Mosque and Majorelle Garden offer a peaceful escape from the city's hustle. The Koutoubia Mosque dominates Marrakech's skyline. Its towering minaret is a symbol of the city. Admire the mosque's intricate architecture from the outside. Non-Muslims are not permitted inside, but the exterior alone is a testament to the beauty of Islamic artistry. escape the city heat at the Majorelle Garden. This tranquil oasis was once the home of French painter Jardin Majorelle. Today it's a haven of exotic plants, vibrant colors, and soothing fountains. Stroll through bamboo groves and marvel at the electric blue buildings. The Majorelle Garden is a feast for the eyes. It's the perfect place to relax and recharge after a day of exploring. No trip to Marrakech is complete without experiencing its vibrant souks and traditional hammams. The souks are a labyrinth of narrow alleyways. You'll find a treasure trove of goods. Get lost in the sights, sounds, and smells of these bustling marketplaces. Skilled artisans craft leather goods, metalwork, and colorful textiles. Practice your bargaining skills and find unique souvenirs. After a day of shopping, indulge in a traditional hammam. This ancient ritual is a must-do for a truly Moroccan experience. Hammams are public bathhouses where locals go to cleanse and socialize. Relax in the steam room, enjoy a full-body scrub, and emerge feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. A hammam is not just a bath, it's a cultural immersion. It's a chance to connect with local traditions. Section 5. Savoring the flavors of Morocco, a culinary adventure. Moroccan cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors. It's a journey for your taste buds. From fragrant tagines to sweet pastries, Marrakech offers a culinary adventure. Tagine is a Moroccan staple. It's a slow-cooked stew named after the earthenware pot it's cooked in. Chicken, lamb, or vegetables are simmered with aromatic spices. These spices include cumin, ginger, and saffron. Each bite is an explosion of flavor. For a taste of something sweet, try pastilla. This flaky pastry is filled with layers of spiced pigeon or chicken, almonds, and sugar. It's a unique blend of sweet and savory flavors. Don't forget to indulge in freshly squeezed orange juice. It's sold everywhere in Marrakech. And be sure to try mint tea. It's the national drink of Morocco. Section 6. Navigating Marrakech. Tips for first-time visitors. Navigating a new city can be daunting, especially one as vibrant and bustling as Marrakech. But don't worry, Marrakech is relatively easy to explore once you get the hang of it. Here are a few essential tips for first-time visitors to make your experience smoother and more enjoyable. First, learn a few basic Arabic phrases. This can be incredibly helpful in daily interactions. A simple shukran, which means thank you, goes a long way in showing respect and appreciation. It shows respect for the local culture and can lead to more positive interactions. Negotiate with a smile. Bargaining is part of the shopping experience in Marrakech, especially in the souks. Don't be afraid to haggle for a better price. It's expected and can be a fun part of the experience. But remember to be respectful and have fun with it. A friendly attitude can make a big difference. Dress respectfully. While Marrakech is a relatively liberal city, it's still important to dress modestly to respect local customs, especially when visiting religious sites, where modesty is particularly important. Cover your shoulders and knees to show respect and avoid unwanted attention. Stay hydrated. Marrakech can get very hot, especially during the summer months, so it's crucial to stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and take breaks in the shade to avoid heat exhaustion. With a little preparation and these handy tips, you'll be well on your way to an unforgettable Marrakech adventure. Enjoy the vibrant culture, delicious food, and warm hospitality that this incredible city has to offer. Section 7. When to embrace the magic best time to visit. Marrakech is a year-round destination, but the best time to visit depends on your preferences. Spring from March to May and fall from September to November offer pleasant temperatures. These seasons are ideal for exploring the city's attractions. Summers from June to August can be scorching hot, but they offer a chance to experience the city's vibrant nightlife. Winters from December to February are mild. However, evenings can be chilly. Consider visiting during one of Marrakech's many festivals. The Marrakech International Film Festival and the Nawa World Music Festival are popular choices. No matter when you decide to visit, Marrakech is sure to leave a lasting impression. Section 8. Respecting traditions' cultural norms to keep in mind. Morocco is a Muslim-majority country. It's important to be mindful of local customs and traditions. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Dress modestly, especially when visiting religious sites. Cover your shoulders and knees. It's a sign of respect for local customs. Ask permission before taking photos of people. Not everyone is comfortable being photographed. A simple shukran, thank you, goes a long way. Avoid public displays of affection. While hand-holding is generally acceptable, kissing in public is frowned upon. Remove your shoes when entering someone's home. It's a sign of respect. By respecting local customs, you'll have a more authentic and enjoyable experience in Marrakech. Section 9. Marrakech. A tapestry of experiences. Marrakech is more than just a destination, it's an experience. It's a city that will stay with you long after you've left. From the bustling souks to the tranquil gardens, Marrakech offers a tapestry of experiences. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine alleyways of the Medina. Haggle for souvenirs in the souks. Find peace in the serene gardens. Indulge in the flavors of Moroccan cuisine. Let Marrakech enchant you with its magic. So, pack your bags, embrace the unknown, and embark on an adventure to Marrakech. It's a city that will captivate your senses and steal your heart.